ZTEsoft is a software solution provider. We have to grow with our customer. We want to catch up this opportunity and to give all our customers best solution and best experience and help them to deliver the service to the end user.
This was an interesting user group meeting. We're here in Monaco. I mean, what's wrong with that? Everything's great. The user group meeting has been really informational, especially in learning where ZTEsoft's current capabilities are on what they call the OSS and BSS side. ZTEsoft is one of the major players in the global industry, especially in what we refer to as the monetization processes.
I think it's very useful. I like it very much. I have been in several of these things. It brings really a transparency in what the supplier is doing together with the operators or with the customers in order to find the best solution together.
With this kind of forum, we get to more information about how and what ZTE is up to. Okay, with this strong portfolio, I think definitely we'll have some good relationship together.
Well, I mean, one of the big pluses we have working with ZTE is that they are always listening to their customers, so they're very open to any ideas or any suggestions we have. So sometimes with other solutions it's not quite that straightforward, so it is appreciated the fact that, as I say, they will listen to what we'd like to do.
Both in the coming years we will invest more on the solutions, especially for the innovative and provide the disruptive solutions in this industry. And the second thing is that we will follow the industry's trend and we will cooperate with players in this industry, not only the SI but also the product, some good product providers which can help us to enhance our product portfolio.
It's important to hear what other companies are doing with their networks, especially with the Z-Smart suite in it. I've also already made several contacts. People are doing similar things with the networks. That's great.
It's a very good way to network. It's a very good way also to share our best practice with some other operators like KPN, the discussion I had at lunch. So it's a very good place to be updated and to network. So I will definitely go forward for next time and maybe with some other of my team.
We are extensively involved with them. They are a prime contractor. What I really like is that you share insights, that you hear from other telcos that they have the same challenges and the same, hurdles to take. So that's nice to share. And also that you see that ZTE is really, let's say, a vivid company, that they invest in it and that they really care for their customers and look in the future. And that's what I really like.